DeFi Slate team.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's Andrew here, or Andy, as you know it. I'd love for you, if you enjoyed this content, if you got something out of it, to give it a like, subscribe to our channel on YouTube. We're really trying to grow it here, and we'd really appreciate it. Cheers, guys, and I hope you enjoyed.
It's your boy Andy here again today with a video for you guys. This is about Oxis Wallet. Oxis is a new sponsor for the DeFi Slate podcast and media and all the stuff that we're doing. We're super thankful to have them in the family. And today we're going to do a quick primer on what Oxis Wallet is. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to head to oxis.com. Head over there, make an account with a new Proton Mail email for safety, of course. Make a password and go ahead and sign in. This is what you'll see when you come and sign into Oxis. So you've got the wallets, the exchange, buy, and settings, of course. And so basically, what you can do with Oxis is obviously store your crypto, exchange, and purchase. They give you the options of all these different tokens, right? You got Bitcoin Cash you can send and receive. I obviously don't have any Bitcoin Cash. Right, so there's a whole bunch of tokens that you can add to the wallet. Right, so say if you want to add Aave, you can just come down here, add Aave, hit update, and then type in your password, and then you'll be able to add that token. Right, it'll support any ERC20 tokens, as well as Bitcoin and other tokens as such, Dash, even some of these old 2017 tokens. But hey, Oxis is great. This is where you can store your crypto that you don't want. So basically, how I would use Oxis, right? So we're basically using farming and DeFi and Aave and these protocols to effectively get yield, right? You're taking on risk of protocols of smart contracts to earn yield. With Oxis, to me is a safe cold storage wallet, right? So you can have your ledger that is completely cold storage and offline. You can have your yield farming, you can have your MetaMask that's connected, but Oxis is another avenue, right? So in a sense, diversification of your crypto itself can be a very good strategy to make sure that you're staying on top of it, right? Because while you might want to own 100% of your portfolio in ETH, having all of that ETH in one smart contract or in one platform or in one wallet, that could come back to hurt you, right? So I think that the main big usage of Oxis here is to have a easily compatible web wallet that you can use to diversify your security risk, should we say. Right, so you can deposit any asset that you want here. It'll stay here. It's completely non-custodial here, and you can even exchange. Right, you can exchange through the wallet interface itself. Right, and so say if you have one Bitcoin Cash, right, then you can start the exchange and make it through, and you can see all the exchanges through here. Right, so this is Oxis. That's the exchange tab. Right, it works for any of these assets, of course. Buy is the same thing, right? So you can buy with Apple Pay, with a bank transfer, with a credit or debit card. This works through MoonPay, right? So instead of having to go through Coinbase or other platforms, right? Excuse me, guys. You can actually use these sort of less KYC, if you will, ways to get money into the system, right? And use it. So this is also super convenient. But again, like the main usage that I see here for Oxis is to keep your assets diversified and keep the ability for you to have assets in different places safely, not in smart contracts, not in one ledger or multiple other places. This is a web wallet where you can store your funds safely and count on them to be there. Super easy to access as well. You can access it anywhere. Just gotta log in, of course, right? And you can set up two-factor. You can set up everything to make sure that you're secure with questions and all that good stuff. So this is Oxis. They are a sponsor of us. We are gonna keep having them in our posts and all that good stuff. And I highly recommend you, for a security and for a general usage case, to have this, because at any point you could send this to your Crypto.com card, to your Monolith card, to Cash App. You can always have this wherever you go on your computer, and that's what makes it very convenient for you. So that's Oxis Wallet. If you have any questions, feel free to answer. We're posting an AMA along with this, so check that out. And download Oxis at oxis.com, make an account. We'll make sure that y'all have the correct link. Yeah, that is Oxis Wallet. Thanks for listening.